Titan Quest 2 freezing fix. Can't press ESC or continue? Try this method. Problem. Many players are experiencing a frustrating issue in Titan Quest 2 where the game freezes during cutscenes or dialogue interactions. The ESC escape key becomes unresponsive. You can't exit or skip, and you're forced to close the game. Solution that worked for me. Here's a quick and reliable way to unfreeze the game without restarting or losing progress. Step-by-step fix. 1. Wait until the game completely freezes, usually during a dialogue or story event. 2. Press the keyboard combination Ctrl Alt Delete. This brings up the Windows security screen. 3. Don't select anything, just let the screen load. 4. Then press the S key on your keyboard. This will close the security screen and return you to the game. 5. When you return to the game, the screen should be unfrozen. You'll now be able to press ESC, continue your dialogue, or access the menu normally. Flashlight, why this fix works. This trick forces the game window to lose and regain focus, which can reset the input layer or UI state without restarting the application. It's like doing a soft refresh for the stuck game scene. Notes. This may not work 100% of the time, but it's a safe and fast trick that has worked for many players. It does not crash your game or lose save progress. Works best for dialogue freezes, black screen after interactions, or soft locks. Pro tip, if this continues happening often, try lowering in-game VFX settings, disable overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, etc. Run the game as administrator.